Hello there, Alan Wright, the inventor of the Sharp R booster, and I'm just going to show you how to easily wire up the SP22S, which is two fully automatic pumps, one for the hot, one for the cold. When the hot works, the cold works. When the cold works, the hot works. First thing to do, you've got two wires called cables, three-way cable and a four-way. Put the four-way to the side. Let's get the flow switches wired up. This is from the transformer, it plugs into the male. Two spare males now, which go into the females of the flow switch. Blue lights come on, you're halfway there. Now, on each end of the four-way is a male, female, male, female. You simply pair them up, male to female, on each of the pumps. That's the first pump done. That's the second pump done. When the hot works, the cold works. So the second pump is running at the same time. The blue light will not necessarily flash, but that's normal. Very easy to do, but then I would say that because I invented it. Thank you.